Do you like being no-no?
Sure.
All right, so tell us what's going on with your back.
A couple weeks ago, we were cleaning carpets and moving furniture, and I think I overdid it. So I've been taking anti-inflammatory medicines for 2 weeks,
Okay.
ice and heating pad,
Gotcha.
and my anti-inflammatory pills, and my ibuprofen, and it's just spasming and sharp pain. I've been trying to do exercises of lifting my arms up and out, but it still kind of hurts.
All right,
And
so
it's mostly in my scapula area.
so kind of up in here.
Kind of there.
And you have a little dark spot right here. A little
Well,
bit kind
probably
of a dark.
because I've been pressing and hurting and
Okay, gotcha. Is that where it's sore? Is it sore
yeah,
in there?
it starts there and then goes
Does it
over to
go-
the left,
Like that?
like and then down.
And then down.
Yes. And
But it doesn't go this way.
No.
It comes over here.
Yes.
Like
and
right there.
Yes.
Is that sore there?
Not at this time because I took anti-inflammatory right there.
Oh,
you
right
just
there.
pushed
There?
something
It's swollen a little bit there
right
too.
there.
Right there. I'm gonna make a little dimple mark.
And then it hurts the same spot on the left side.
Oh, okay. So both sides. So like over
Yeah.
here, like right in here, right there.
It
You tell me up, down, left, right from there.
okay. Go down
Down.
like right there.
Right there. I'm gonna make a little dimple right there. So we'll just do some trigger point injections to see if we can get you through this. I'm sure you just strained your back with all the extra work.
Probably so.
Okay. So we have a couple of spots there.
And sometimes it's hard to turn over because it kind of catches. And
I'm a little worried about under here though, that you might have a bursitis too.
well, it does
Right in
hurt
there?
every so often, and my husband's been rubbing like Aspercream on it, and
I'm gonna go a little bit deeper right there and see if we can't get the burst.
you know, and what's funny is it kind of like travels, if that makes sense.
Does it burn?
It's more of a spasm than a burning.
Okay.
It just like all of a sudden it catches you. Like if you move wrong real quick, it like stops you that you go, uh-oh.
So if I hit a spot that hurts, you tell me, okay? I'm gonna kind of follow.
Yeah, and unfortunately right now I took the anti-inflammatory pill. And by the end of the day, when I lay down, it hurts more.
How about up in here? Anything in there?
Right there, right in
Right
that
in that
area.
area?
Yeah.
We can do a little one right there. And then we're gonna come down. It's almost like the border of the scapula. It's almost got me convinced you may actually, I'm gonna bring your shoulder back just a wee bit right there, that this may actually be, you may have some bursitis from the shoulder in there
Yes,
too.
and you know my history of bursitis and stuff.
We're gonna give you a little one right there too. So we're gonna go here, 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 and here, and then a little in there.
Yes, but my right side obviously hurts more than my left.
Okay. Got the DW helping us out here today, no.
Thank you.
She's gonna spray the cold spray. She's got a syringe for me, right? Here we go. Ah, yes. We found it. And we're gonna do these two first. Can you spray over my shoulder? Let's get this one right here first. Right there. Little stick. Right here. A cold spray. Ooh, that got me in the nose.
Sorry.
Little stick right there, a little bit deeper. All right, now let me get the alcohol. Those feel okay? Not bad? Let's get this one right here. Little stick. Not quite as deep. Right here. Right there. Ooh, that was a little fibrous. And then let's get this one over here. Hang on. Okay, right there. Good. Little stick right there. And that is all of it. And hand it back off to you.
Now, should I continue with heat or ice?
I would use heat at this point.
Okay, that's
Okay.
what I'm doing.
But be careful not to burn yourself. Right?
Yes.
And I'm asking
And then
EW
continue taking the anti-inflammatory medicines because I do have Lodine.
Certainly, you can take those. It's fine. It won't
Okay.
affect this at all. Just remember that the cortisone part of this really won't work too much until tomorrow. But you should already notice a little bit of improvement. Now, I realize that at this point, we're going to put some little dot bandages on these.
Okay.
You may notice a little bit now, but since you're on sinus medicine, it may not work as, you may not notice it yet. But you should notice something tomorrow.
Okay,
Okay?
good.
Well, thanks for letting us video your procedure.
Thank you very much, Dr. Gilmore.
That was fun.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thernergy. Thernergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and thin form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thernergy, and I think it'll work for you.
Okay, so in your own words, tell us about your experience with Meta 7.
If I don't take Meta 7, I have absolutely no energy whatsoever and I feel yucky. When I take Meta 7, it gives me enough energy to make it through the day and it makes me feel better.
Now, you don't mind me asking, you do have diabetes, right?
I do have diabetes.
Tell us how your diabetes has done. How have you done with your diabetes since you've been taking Meta 7?
Well, my numbers are absolutely wonderful. Just got tested today and it was 5.4,
5.4.
and my Dr. Gilmore said it was the help of the Meta 7.
That's right.
Those are very well under control.
Wonderful. So you're doing a great job. You're working hard with your diet.
I am.
Okay, and your diabetes is under outstanding control.
Wonderful.
And you feel good because you're taking Meta 7 every day.
Yes.
Gives you the energy you need to do what you want to do.
It does.
You're awesome. Thanks for letting me do a little video.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.